welcome back to my channel. Today I have a haul for you guys and it's from Amor'us. I don't know if you guys have heard of this brand before, but I would usually get eyelashes from them. I would literally find them like in a fashion store or even like a Dollar Tree. So I've been using their lashes for a while now and I really like them. So they're the 3D-01, 3D-02, 3D-04, and 3D-07. Those are the lashes that I would constantly grabbing from them. As of now, I am out of their lashes and I do have to purchase some more, but this time I went ahead and ordered something different from them, and I did go on their website, which is the first time that I go to their website, and I came across to see that they have other type of beauty products. So I did not know that they had eyeshadow palettes, and when I seen them I literally fell in love. So if you guys don't know what I'm talking about, then I'm about to show you guys. These palettes are gorgeous. I have not tried them yet, but they just look so beautiful online, but they look stunning in person. Like I kid you guys not, they're really nice palettes. So I grabbed 3 and they were having a sale, buy 2 palettes get 1 free. So as it is, their palettes are not expensive whatsoever. They're $15 a palette, and I think that was great as well. But when I seen buy 2 get 1 free, I was like, that's even better. Who doesn't want a free palette? So like I said, I have 3 palettes and I'm gonna be showing you guys the first one. So the first one is called Snowqueen and it reminds me so much of Frozen. Like the cover, the letters, like it literally yells Frozen to me, which I love that movie. Anyone that has kids, or maybe if you don't have kids, I'm pretty sure you've seen the movie Frozen. So this is how it looks, and they are cruelty free, which is a big yes for me. I'm not gonna go ahead and swatch all the colors because I do have 3 palettes and it's just gonna be too much of a long video, so I'm just gonna be swatching some of the colors for you guys. But this is a close-up of the palette. They are beautiful, like super pretty, super nice. They have some glitters, they have some mattes, some shimmers. This palette is so freaking pretty. True Love, Royal, Frozen Heart, Magic Power, Snow Kingdom, Castle. I mean, they're really cute names. So I'm gonna go ahead and swatch some of these. Okay, so these are the swatches for this palette. Look how beautiful they are, guys. Like I said, this palette carries matte, shimmers, and glitter ones. Like these were like chunky glitters. Oh my god, I cannot wait to try these on my eyes. They are very pretty, and I'm so happy that I found these palettes. So the second palette, it's another one that I'm like really obsessed with. I mean, all of them are beautiful. So this one is called Nala. So this one literally yells a Lion King to me. Look at this package. I love it. I just love tigers and lion in plural. So there's like a beautiful lion in the front and it's just amazing. Like the details, the holographic around it is just stunning. Let's look inside of the palette. All of them have matte shimmers and some, you know, chunky glitter shadows. So here is the palette. Look how pretty and stunning this is. Mother, Truth, Queen, Lion Guard, Kingdom, Pride Rock, Wisdom. I mean, they're perfect names for this palette. Okay guys, so again, look at the swatches. They're so pretty. So I went ahead and picked some matte, some shimmers, and a chunky glitter for you guys, just so you guys could see. Feels really good, really buttery, so I'm very excited. I'm hoping that they look great on the eyes. Last palette that I have, it's very pretty as well, and this one literally yells summer and Hawaii to me, and this one is called the Havana Blast. Look how pretty this cover is. I mean, the packagings for all 3 are just incredible. I really like them. So let's look at the inside. Look how pretty this is. Oh my god, guys. I mean, I just look at all of them and I love all of them. I literally cannot pick a favorite one because I like all three. Some of the names that I see would be Treasure, Latin Lover, Nude Beach, Caribbean, Romantic, My Heart, Vacation, Boiling Sun, Love Affair. So let me go ahead and swatch some of these for you guys. Some of the swatches for the Havana Blast palette. Look at these colors. They're so pretty, guys. Oh my god. But again, in person they look way better. So I just have to test them and see if they're blendable and if they are pigmented, to see if I like them overall, you know, if they're just, you know, 100% great products. As first impressions right now, I really like them. They're beautiful. I hope you guys enjoyed this video with this mini haul. I am excited and I cannot wait to try these palettes on my eyes and see how many beautiful looks I can get with these palettes. So I will be seeing you guys on the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you guys can be notified whenever I upload a new video.